You are big fish.
Neno wako tayari. DJ angusha. Mimi siongeani sana. Weke ukipu na weke volume.
You got me singing way oh way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh.
Good morning. So it's the morning after. No, not what you're thinking. It's the morning after Moran and Calligraph live event, and I'm just about to leave. Actually, not the morning after. It's like afternoon. I'm about to leave Bongo Courts, Bongo Apartments, Bongo Courts. Yeah, basically, yeah. I'm about to leave, and I wanted to show you guys around so that you can see what's up, what's happening. I'm not ready yet. I'm trying to get ready. Asleep because we all came in very late, and I'm just here. Yeah, let's see what the day has for us. I hope you enjoyed that small tour of the Airbnb, and this area is called what again? I'll write it here. So yeah. Left the Airbnb. Right now I'm going to take a Buddha that takes me to where my friends are. Honestly, I don't know this place, but fingers crossed. So that's where I'm heading. Let's do this. We're going to have a Buddha.